The state of Minas Gerais, Brazil. In Brazil, wherever state you go, you're gonna find Atlantic forest, untouched Atlantic forest. Brazil is not like so many other countries that has been all deforested. Brazil is green everywhere. Here, walking distance from our hobby farm, it's this beautiful rainforest with fresh water, with all sort of birds, butterflies, all sort of animals, little monkeys. So fresh air. That's why people love Brazil, because at the same time you are in the beautiful towns, villages, cities, you walk away and go to a green forest like this. So good. And also, the state of Minas Gerais, its name is because of Minas, mines general. We have all sort of minerals like gold, diamond, sapphire, jasper, steel in large scale. Look at this. I'm walking the trail here, and it is steel, very heavy. A little piece is almost 1 kilo. Very heavy. It's like condensed steel, like this. Another one. And unfortunately, big companies from England, from Brazil, Vale, from Australia, are mining on the top of the mountain up there. Can you see? Very sad, because they're destroying the mountains. In the other hand, we all need steel, right? We all need metal, because we all use fridge, cars, telephones. Everything needs steel, needs metal to be made, right? Building.